Hi my friends, let's model the part number 59 pipe connector from my collection of 100 parts. The picture of this part is here and you can see 3 flanges for connecting with other pipes. Looking at the drawing, we see a central pipe which we treat as a sweep volume, and the 3 flanges with another extension here. We start by creating this line and then we create 2 circles at the end to be swept on the line. The line is 19 plus 25 this distance, 200 here, and the radius of 75 between these 2 lines. Let's start with this. The plane is XY. Line, arc, 90 degrees you see the horizontal, and the vertical shorter line. As I said, dimensions are 95 plus 205, a radius of 75, and another line which is 70. This is the first sketch. Let's correct something here to be more legible. Good. Finished sketch. Now in the work plane from the center point we draw a sketch with 2 circles, interior 80, exterior 100. You see this dimension, 80, 100. Okay, 80 and 100. Finished sketch. Now sweep this area on this curve. Okay. Yes, this is only to advertise, to advise about possibilities. Good. Continuation is with this construction to finish with the great things here. As you can see, 145 from this, or plus 200, 300 is here, to have the this plane, and then we create a circle to extrude to the part. Good. Plane from the same plane, and the distance is 95 plus 205 plus 145. Okay, we work here. with 60 and 80, two circles in this sketch, placed at a distance from this end of 70. Circle of 80, another circle of 60 on the same horizontal, because this is horizontal and this is vertical, with a center point and a distance of 70 from upper face. 70. Finish sketch. Extrude only the external, not this circular crown, but this. To next. Okay. Now another extrusion. I share this sketch, share sketch, and now I extrude the interior as cut to this interior. Yes? Okay. This shared sketch is not necessary to be visible. Now I create another plane at a distance of 115 in order to create this flange and this pipe, short pipe, 115, and the flange is centered on 95. Plane 115 up, sketch. Now this is horizontal to have no problem with orientation, and the sketch is placed at 95. But let's start with this contour. Now I create circle, circle and circle. I place the first one at the same horizontal with the center point, the other on the same vertical, and on the same vertical with this one. Now I draw a tangent, keeping the left button pressed till I catch the other. You see, now I didn't catch it. I go to tangent and I apply manually tangency here. The last line is you have to keep pressed here and then to start. Good. These two circles have the same diameter and these two must be equal. Yes? Now we have 4 dimensions needed, 3 for the contour and 1 for the distance to here. This is 95. We know already many things about this part. Split this circle, this, here we need twice, and apply selection to this and this to be not visible. Now distances, you remember, but let's see again. 140, radius 50, radius 20. 140, 50, and 20. Good, fully constrained. Finish sketch. Extrude, but the other direction of 15. Let's see. Yes, 15. You see? Good. 15. Okay. Visibility. Now I create a circle on this face. The circle is diameter of 80 and interior of 60. Let's create both these both circles, and we'll use them after. 80 and 60. Finish sketch. Now extrude. Extrude the external, yes, the other direction, join to the part. Plus, this is the subtlety, and this one cut to one face. The face is this one, yes, and now we are sure that we create a hole there. Okay, very nice, very effective. And you have to notice that I didn't use sharing the sketch like before, yes. Now we have to create a flange here and another one here. This is circular and this is square. Let's start with this square. It is 200, 200, and radius of 20 with a thickness of also 20. We create a sketch on this face. Polygon, 4 sides, center, and no matter angle and distance, because we apply horizontal 200. Finish sketch, extrude this, only this, yes, the other direction on 20. Okay, the hole must be not disturbed, yes. I think this is too short, but we'll see. Now the fillet of 20, okay. Let's verify this. What is the distance? I apply M. I press the key Monaco, M. And I measure, yes? Measure what? The distance from here to this face. This is 445, and I think it is not okay. Escape, F6. Let's see where is this created. Here is created, and the plane is, we have here 95, 205 and 145. Okay, then this is too long. Let's see what about this sketch. If you look here, you see that there is a distance 95 and 205, but it includes this radius, and I didn't include this. Yes, the distance is from here to here. So I erase this and I place another dimension here to be 95 plus 205, and this is shorter. Finish sketch. Nothing is disturbed. This is a parametrical software, and we can do any change anytime. In the plane, this plane, we create a sketch now for the circular flange, which is 230 in diameter and with a thickness of 20. Circle 200, project geometry, this, and extrude circular crown. Okay. Last are holes. 20, 20 and 20. All of them are 20 millimeters diameter. Good. Let's start with this one. Sketch, not sketch. Hole, diameter of 20 and 2. Yes, I don't want to place a through hole, because if somebody will change the dimension of the flange, it is possible that the hole to drill the pipe, and we don't want this when somebody changes this distance between axes. This point, and I select this face, yes, and now the other point. They are to 20 millimeters. Okay, another one. Sketch, no sketch. Hole, this position. Now I select this face from the same reason, and now all the other three to be 20 millimeters diameter. On this face I see a diameter of 190 and a hole here. I place a point on the same vertical with a center point or its projection, and the distance of 190 divided by 2. And this is too small distance. It means I made a mistake, of course. No problem. Finish sketch. Let's see. I again press Monaco M to see what is this diameter. This is 200 and the part is 230. This is the mistake. Escape, and now I change the extrusion, this extrusion, the sketch, double click, and I change here with 230. It is possible to have some other mistakes, but you are here to correct me by sending me comments on my tutorials. Don't worry, I'll be happy to receive comments from you. The same selection of 2. Okay, and now circular pattern about this axis, 4 instances. You see, if I do not apply 2 on here, this hole would be through this all objects, yes, through maybe here. Well, let's verify the object a little, because I see something here. What is this? Yes, there is. Oh, I know. This extrusion of cut is stopped here. This is not good. Let's take a look of that extrusion, which is this is, yes, double click and let's apply extend, this extend, and that's okay. Yes, this was applied. Look here, minimum solution. The minimum cutting is applied, and this is not correct. When I disable this, the cut is getting over the face here. Now it's okay. Okay, I told you about mistakes, yes? Be careful. The material is steel carbon, the aspect is steel cast, yes, steel cast, and some faces are machined. Only these 3 are enough to be polished. The data, (22 kilograms). That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.